In this video, I will show you how you can fix if spatial audio is grayed out on your iPhone. Now, if you have noticed that spatial audio is grayed out on your iPhone, now to fix this issue, first of all, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone, and after that, just play some music. Now just try to enable spatial audio. And as you can see, spatial audio is not grayed out. But if you've done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and from here just tap on Bluetooth. Then tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name. Now on this page, just scroll down and select Forget this device. Tap on Forget device. And after you've done that, now on your AirPods, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case, then close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just open the lid back open. Now just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have completed the factory reset process. Now from here, just close the lid of your AirPods, then wait for a couple of seconds and open the lid back open and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, now for the next step, just go back to the main settings page and tap on the name of your AirPods. From here, just scroll down and tap on Personalize Spatial Audio. Tap on Personalize Spatial Audio, and from here just tap on Continue. Now just position your face in the camera frame and move your head around as it is shown in this animation. Now just tap on Start Capture. Now just place your face in this camera frame and move your head to the left and to the right side so that the camera can scan your ears. And after you've done that, now just tap on Done. Now from here, just go back to the AirPod settings. And from here, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now from here, just scroll down and enable the toggle for Follow iPhone. After you enable this feature, then tap on iPhone Audio and Visual Settings. And from here, just check if mono audio is enabled or not. If this feature is enabled, just turn it off. Now after you do that, now if you go to your home screen and if you open the control center, you will notice that the spatial audio grayed out issue has been fixed. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.